Hey, what's up everybody? Your favorite chef is here. You're watching Clumsy Cook channel. Today we are making something really cool, so stay tuned. Prepare your favorite popcorns with your favorite flavor. Because your sugar level it will be low, so you'll want to eat something sweet. Maybe not. Who cares? Let's go. Okay, prepare your knife, prepare your two zucchinis, and then you're gonna slice edges, and then you're gonna slice on half, and then that half of zucchini you're gonna slice about for quarter-inch thick. When you cut all the zucchinis, put in one single bowl, or you can transform to your favorite dish. My favorite dish is white one. I like the white and black. I don't need colors. I'm just kidding, but okay, let's go to the next step. Next step is to take another bowl, and then you're gonna crack 3 eggs one by one. Be careful eggshells. Remove them if you don't want to fuck up your teeth. Scramble them. Scramble not too much and not in some medium scramble. We can say it like that. And then you're gonna scramble these eggs. Okay. Next step is to add 1/3 cup of heavy cream or 80 milliliters of heavy cream. And then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked pepper. And then you're gonna add 3 or 4 garlic cloves. Squeeze so hard we want to get rid of all garlic cloves. We want to use them all, and then you're gonna scramble all of that, combine that everything together, and then we're gonna add, if you have Parmigiano Reggiano it will be good, or Parmesan cheese, or you can add what cheese you have. It will not be a problem, so don't worry about that. Any cheese is good. Parmesan or Reggiano is the best one, but if you don't have it, screw it. Go find another one in store, or if you don't have money, use any cheese. It will be good. It will be really shame if you miss to make this recipe. Again, combine that together, and from that bowl, put in that dish that we put zucchini. Spread all over zucchini, and then you're gonna put in oven for about 20-25 minutes for 200 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit. And then final step it will be to spread all again some cheese just to make really nice decoration. You will need probably 1/4 cup of cheese to decorate them, and then you're gonna add parsley or any grease. Basil is good. I'm taking parsley for that green yellow look. And that's all, guys. And that's all, guys. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope, guys, that you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.